the authorized IRS e-file provider locator service for tax professionals. So about the database and locator service, I'm just going to read off real quick some of the information. The authorized IRS e-file provider database is a nationwide listing of all businesses which have been accepted to participate in electronic filing IRS e-file program. The for-profit providers that have opted in are included in the locator service, which allows you to, 1, identify and locate different types of authorized IRS e-file providers through their interactive searches, and 2, you can download delimited text files by state or District of Columbia for creating mailing lists using database software packages. To opt in or out of the locator service, you got to see updating the authorized IRS application tab and button below, how to search for a provider. When it comes to using that interactive tool, that allows you to enter either your full 5-digit zip code, or you can select your state and go from there. The search results will be stored in alphabetical order by business. Note that the inclusion in this database does not constitute an endorsement by the IRS of the e-file provider, and you want to just note that it's not an endorsement. You should always be sure to conduct your own due diligence when looking at an e-file provider. If you go further down into that tab itself, you want to look at authorized IRS e-file providers. You can enter your zip code, your state or U.S. territory, and then you can choose your provider type. There's an option to download delimited text files. The information about each provider is stored in the database as a long string of text or record, if you want to think of it that way, with each of the elements recorded separated by a delimiter. The delimited text files contain records grouped by state or the District of Columbia. Those text files can be imported into the database software packages, and you can use that to create mailing lists. Updating the authorized IRS e-file application, you'll want to use the IRS e-file application that is available through the internet-based business tools called under e-services. That's e-services. And the existing IRS e-file participants can also use it to update their application to opt in or out of the locator service. And that is done by selecting yes or no on the firm information page. I just want to thank you for watching the video. And remember to check the description for any links. A lot of the topics are interrelated, so there should be some links in the description.